Hello friends, welcome to Review Early. Realme launched a new smartphone called Realme X3 and Realme X3 Super Zoom. Realme X60 X Super Zoom Speed Super Zoom. It comes with a 60Hz screen ratio and 60x zoom, and it explore the world with 6x super zoom. The real X3 super zoom camera system is equipped with a new base curve zoom lens, bringing you all new photography experience. Supports 0.5x into 6x wide zoom range, so you can take in a view whether it's right in front of you or far away. The Realme X3 series comes powered with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus processor that can easily handle multiple processes such as playing games, launching heavy application, editing photos, watching definition high definition movie. And here most advanced feature, like it comes with a 120Hz ultra smooth display screen and Realme UI based on A110. It comes with a rear camera comes with a 60x super zoom capacity. You can get high quality, high definition, high quality images and videos. And it comes with a Snapdragon 855 plus 7nm octa-core mobile platform chipset. And coming to the coming to processing speed, like a 1500 mbs speed, like a 12 GB plus 256 GB massive storage. And coming to liquid cooling 100 plus carbon kV K8 source, like a storage mode comes with 64 megapixel stereo mode, like 64 megapixel quad camera. And in display it comes with in display 2 megapixel dual in display selfie, comes with a Sony IMX616 sensor. And coming, these are the amazing pictures to video quality taken on the Realme 64 megapixel rear camera. It comes with 855. Here is some intro video. This video show you the speeding of this camera processing, and it comes to some micro camera high fast for processing, like coming a super zoom. It can you can zoom almost 60x zoom by using a, you can take pictures. They are unlike a periscope and telephoto go precision zooming, like it comes with a goodbye digital cameras. Hello periscope zoom to lens, like 5x optical zoom. It comes and still many there are few camera mobiles having a 5x optical zoom and 6x super zoom, like it's a digital zoom. The periscope zoom lens is accompanied by an ultra-wide-angle lens, and primary camera is given Realme X3 Super Zoom focal length from 16 nm to 124 mm, equivalent to smooth zoom from 0.5x to 60x. Optical image stabilization (OIS) stabilizes the zoom, making it easy to take sharp clear photo even from 100 meters away. It comes with a 1x, 5x, 20x, 60x zoom. How it looks in a, it's a 20x zoom in a 60x zoom. Almost we are getting with voice 1x zoom. The difference between 1x, 2x and 20x zoom. And coming with a 4 different lens, like this Realme X3 comes with a 64 camera quad setup, like 4 different lens, one integrated lens, like 54 megapixel quad camera, like even a 60 precious lens, 60x precious lens, like 64 megapixel primary camera, and 4 centimeters macro lens, and 119 degrees wide angle lens. And it comes with a nightscape capture a whole starry sky. Get closer to stars, like you can get good views of stars, like we shown in these images. The light we see from stars travel to several light years before appearing in your nightscape to become a subject of wonder of people. To record these twinkling beauties, Realme has developed the starry mode exclusively to utilize the algorithm combined with ultra long exposure multi-frame synthesis engine to intelligently enhance sharpness and color expression, give you a starry sky. And nightscape 4.0 mode, like if you take any pictures nightscape, you can get awesome great when it's in motion. You can take great motion. Nightscape 4 has trailer two new creative features for photography enthusiasts. For pro nightscape mode, allow you to set ISO, WP shutter speed and focus distance. Allow to experience joys of using manual mode. Tripod mode, legend for 50 seconds of exposure time, allow you to shoot photos using rail and traffic streams. Here is some of the AI for the photography enthusiast. Nightscape 4.0 also comes with ISO for Nightscape. It recognizes what is being captured, night intelligence pictures between super and ultra nightscape mode, giving you breathtaking night pictures even every time. Like it's like a it's come when it's an ultra nightscape mode, and when it comes it in a if you on this ultra scope, it will look like it is. You can take even good quality images in escaping mode. And coming to action camera experience, the Realme camera vlogging log become the next vlogging sensation. Smartphone is all you need. The Realme exclusive video UAS and UAS Max Ultra image stabilization technology uses smart AI algorithm and motion sensor data to eliminate shake in a real time. This give you phone the video stability to rival on action move. And need inspiration for your next vlogging like a video quality, bokeh effects, slow motion, and sat smooth zoom like ultra wide video like VSAS max video. And coming with a group selfies, you can take great selfies with this. It comes with a front like we have the two primary Sony sensor for the mega Sony camera and 105% wide angle lens. Dual in display selfie, both of the camera like Realme X3 Super Zoom has 32 megapixel camera and Realme X3 has 16 megapixel Sony camera. And coming to more features like a night portrait mode, how it shoots in night like 105 degrees, how it look fast selfies, how the quality of selfie to 105 degrees ultra wide angle lens, and 32 megapixel primary camera. Primary how it looks in 32 megapixel primary and how this image shows the 32 megapixel primary camera and it looks at 32 camera primary is selfie camera, how it looks selfie quality and ultra speed image. You can detect ultra speed like unpredictable performance blazing speed. It comes with a Snapdragon 855 chipset. Here is the Snapdragon 855 chipset. Qualcomm I told you that it's a high speed, high end chipset for on the like we have three range of chipset. Let's say 4 series, 7 series, and 8 series. This 8 series, the after this variant now we can some Qualcomm launched A65 856 sorry 865 chipset. It comes with 89% CPU performance, like 5000 no, relaxation to benchmark and 45% GPU performance. You can play ultimate gaming as UFS 3.0 boost like a read speed is called 3.6 Realme X3 series with the UFS 3.0 boost from and Realme exclusive HP with turbo technology, which can increase the theoretical speed to 1500 mbps for faster app launch. And liquid cooling system like a liquid cooling system, it controls your temperature heating body like a 100 perfect hours of internal heat, so that vapor cooling tube made a large item and then copper tube increasing the heat dispense every day of 6.9%. The heat dispense volume for 10 mm as a result. The core temperature gradually reduces mainly performance. And coming with a 30 watts 4200 mAh fast charging capacity. It can charge your mobile within 50 minutes 30%. Compared to any battery size increase during charging speed 30%. We get full charge backlink in a faster mode. It comes with 120Hz ultra smooth display, feels speed smoothly. Realme X3 series is equipped with the 120Hz ultra smooth display, truly fascinating trending design. Like it comes with a awesome great design like a strip horizontal line camera, like we have four cameras with a and one flashlight, one at a selfie camera, one at a 64 megapixel rear quad camera setup. And coming this is the one more design like a blue color and blue white pearl white color. It comes with great design, great color. Here how it looks like a pearl Realme pearl white color, and it comes with a type C charging, and we have a sim in the bottom of the mobile like a, we have a speakers speakers mic and sim ejector and type C cable at the bottom of your mobile. And coming to three quad curved glass leading and anti-glare technology to it will not easily scratch your display or back panel. The next super used high precious yeah, abrasive etching technology for industry leading anti-glare fingerprint proof glass. They give on in precedent level of fitness and uniformity to surface, which is both visual balance smooth. It comes with a Realme UI seamless fun, and it comes with a Realme experience. You can game like a game space, particularly engine like tackling engines. You can game ultimate game This is best mobile for gaming. You can play PUBG high-end games. It has a side fingerprint, like you have fingerprint for side of the mobile dual frequency GPS. And here are some of the accessories. These are the unlimited view of the Samsung Realme X3 and X3 Super Zoom. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe and like this video and share this video.